Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about Angels and Tomboys Reviews United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So, friends, Angels and Tomboys is a line of body lotions designed for tween and teenage girls. As you can see, the lotion comes in some fun fragrances including cotton candied apples, deep fried ice cream, frozen hot chocolate, watermelon funk, etc. The next thing we'll see is the payment method. This website accepts JCB, MasterCard, Discover, and many other payment options are available. As you can see, you can pay through Shopify Pay. Next thing we'll check is the shipping and processing time. The processing time says orders will ship within 1 to 2 business days under normal circumstances, and during holidays and sales, processing time is average 3 to 4 days during those days of times or events. The next thing we'll check under the shipping fees that the shipping fees is free, but charges that are incurred if a package is refused, returned, or requires reshipment will be the responsibility of the customer. The next thing we'll see that the international customers are responsible for any and all customs duties, taxes, and brokerage fees that a shipment may incur. This is for the global customers only. So now before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So friends, according to the HTTPS protocol, this particular website is a valid and a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign here. Talking about the domain name registration, this website has been registered on 2nd June 2013, which is a positive point here, so it can be assumed that it is a quite old website to rely on. Now friends, let's check the About Us section. Let's go to the About Us section. Here, under About Us, the whole mission, vision and offerings of the website is present. The name and details of the owner has also been mentioned under this page. This website is owned by sisters Madison, Star and Melody Iana. The next thing we'll check is the Contact Us service. Under Contact Us, they have provided the email ID which is hello@angelsandtomboys.com. Under customer service, they have provided the phone number, their physical address which is traceable under the map, and again their email ID. The email ID matches with the website name, which is a good sign here. Now friends, let's check the social media presence. Under the social media presence, as you can see, it is registered under Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Let's talk about the reviews. The reviews on the page is found to be positive, but due to no reviews found on Google and very minimal amount of reviews that has been found on other social media platform, which counts as a negative point here. Now friends, let's check the return policy. Under the return policy, it is given the item does not make you dance, we will gladly accept it back. Items you would like to return must be received by our fulfillment department within 10 days of you receiving your order. The next thing it says about refund policy is we will process a refund for the amount you purchased the item for minus the cost of shipping. The refund and the return policy is mentioned under this same heading. Now friends, if we check the quality and content of the page. Then the website is poor because it is 86% plagiarized and more amount of duplicate images has been found, which counts again as a negative remark with spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. So friends, on the basis of the lack of customer reviews, which is an integral part of any legitimacy of website, and the poor quality content of the website, I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.